Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. Today we're going to be making a bow and arrow from lollipop sticks. We're going to need some lollipop sticks, some string, some tacks and some rubber bands. I'm going to mark in 1/2 centimetre from each end of our first lollipop stick. And on the other side we're going to mark in 2 centimetres and 5 centimetres from either end. Now we're going to cut some spacers to fit between our 2 central lollipop sticks. For our arms, we're going to mark in 1 centimetre and 3.5 centimetres from one end and 1 centimetre from the other. And then transfer it across onto our second lollipop stick. Now we can draw on the notches for our rubber bands, the pivot points, and the notches to attach our string. When we glue our spacers in place, you just need to make sure that an arrow will fit between them. To make life quick and easy, we're going to hold our lollipop sticks all together and drill through all 3 lollipop sticks in one go. We're going to add some glue to each side of the notch. This will just help space the rubber bands when it's dried. Put that somewhere safe where it's not going to come in contact with anything. When making our arrows, we're going to make the flights from a piece of paper, folded in half, and some sticky tape. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click here to subscribe to our channel, where you can watch more videos on great things to make and create. You can also click on the thumbs up icon below to give us a like or leave a message in our comment section.